Welcome, in front of me is NOKIA 5.3 and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your password. So in this situation, if you don't have a face unlock feature or fingerprint set up on your phone, then the best solution for you would be to take your time and try to remember the password that you entered the last time. This will help you by saving you a lot of work and time and maybe your personal files in the future. Just take your time and try to remember, maybe make a couple of trials to access your device. And if you can't, then the other solution for you would be to reach out to Nokia customer support service, and to explain your problem to them. And if you prove the ownership of your Nokia to them, then they will most likely help you recover the access to your device without the need of removing all data from your phone. You might also want to consider restarting your device by holding down the power key and selecting restart. Restarts often help in such cases, but if you didn't succeed in neither of that, then you'll have to perform a factory reset and remove all data from your phone in order to regain access to it. So to perform factory reset, you can either erase all data from your phone remotely by using Find My Device feature if it's enabled on your phone. So if it's enabled, you can just log into your Google account, find the connected devices, erase all data from your phone remotely using your laptop, PC, another phone, tablets, and so on, and then just set up your device once again. But if you don't have this feature enabled, then simply perform a factory reset. If you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do it step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and watch it. And for this video, I think that will be all. I hope that some of the tips I mentioned helped you, and if they did, if one of them did, then let us know about it in the comments. Leave us a like if you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.